You like each other, huh? Ow! Cookie, can you not plow into me, you little brat? Go say hi. You like each other? You want to play with each other? You want to play, Parker? You want to play? You want to play? You want to play? You like her? They've never barked at each other. Okay. You want to play together? Let's let him play through the thing first, Dad. Oh, Milo. You want to play? Hey, I'm being brave. Go for it. No. I think they're going to be okay, I hope.